Hello guys, this is Priyanka Malik. Welcome back to my channel Prizone Kalakari. So today's tutorial will be on coffee painting on bookmark. So let's start. So for this we'll need water, coffee. I'm using Nescafe here. You can use any coffee. I'm not endorsing any brands. Brush, this is number one brush. Only this was available with me currently because of lockdown. I could not buy any others. I have taken this small cap to mix coffee and water. Fevicryl fabric glue I had with me. I don't have Fevicol. You can use that as well. An A4 sized sheet and old invitation cards bookmark. And I have this sheet of newspaper which I'll be putting on my table first and then working on it so that I don't damage my table. So first take your A4 size sheet or any sheet, if you light colored one or white sheet, whatever you prefer. But on coffee painting generally white would prefer. I would prefer taking white. I have cut my bookmark in a particular shape. I have not made a proper tutorial of this. If you want, do let me know. So you cut your paper and the invitation card in a specific shape and glue them together. Then with a punching machine put a hole like this so that we can tag it later. So this is how I like the shape. You can make a rectangle one, you can make any shape you like, you can decide the length, you can decide the shape as per your needs. So I have taken little coffee in this cap. You can use a palette or a dish as well. Take little water. I would suggest not taking a lot of water to start with. So starting we can keep a little darker shade. So we are going to shade this with coffee. So I am not taking lots and lots of water. I am taking little water to start with, and later if I want to have a lighter shade, I can add more water. Rather than adding more and more coffee, I would prefer adding more water. So just dip your brush and start shading. Now here you can do any design whatsoever you like. You don't want to shade, you just want to write some quote on that, that also you can do whatever you want with this coffee painting, but I would like to do it this way. So if you can see, I'm shading in bits and pieces. So currently it might look a little ugly, I would say, but once it is done, it'll really look good. So I'm taking a little bit more of water. Now if you can see, the shade has changed, right? So it looks a good shaded bookmark right now. See how is it going? Yeah. So you can shade darker, light, however you prefer doing it. Now I have just dried it for 2 to 5 minutes and I have taken more coffee in this small cap. Okay, because now I'm going to write on this bookmark. I'm going to write the word books on this bookmark. So the shades which are there are not very dark or are not very light, right? So you can check the shade. I'm feeling it a little lighter, so I might redo it again and again, as in I would write the word first and then again rewrite on that so that it becomes a little more darker. You can write whatever you want. If you are gifting it to somebody, you can write their name and gift them the bookmark. If you don't want to shade and write, if you want to make any design to it. So I'm just showing you an example of how you can use coffee painting. Do comment in case you need any more ideas on coffee painting, specifically on bookmarks. See, I'm now rewriting it on that again to get a more a more finishing look, and the shade becomes a little darker. So I think it looks very good this way. almost done. You can choose the size of your wordings, the font of your wordings. I liked it this way. I generally keep it for around 24 hours to dry, and then I put this tag, but currently for the tutorial I am putting it right away. So you have to fold it. You can take any satin ribbon or wool or any kind of thread and just pass it from the hole like this and make a loop, and this is the way you tag. It looks like a tag, a cute little tag. So this is how the bookmark looks like, and it really smells good. It smells of coffee. I had made these bookmarks. This one I had gifted my husband because he's an author as well as a book reader. This I had just shaded. So friends, this is how my final bookmark looks like. Lovely coffee painting. I can smell coffee in this, so coffee lovers would really love this bookmark. So do share with me how did your bookmark turn out. You can share with me on my Instagram ID prizone.kalakari. Do follow me there as well for many such creativities. And do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned, and we will see you in the next tutorial. Till then, goodbye and take care.